told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
This evil cup. And a girl. This is the Hausa section. That was the Igbo section. This is the Hausa section. So beautiful. Beautiful. And of course, the Adire.
Wow.
Yashoke.
This is the traditional.
Abetiaja.
Say that again.
Fila Abetiaja.
You are going to pay fine for not calling the Abetiaja.
Abetiaja.
Cool.
Try new.
You try. You try.
And Nigerian material. So
okay.
Beautiful. Textile production in Western Nigeria.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it was one big joint activity in Westerners. And yeah, Nigeria became a British colony. Oba of Lagos, Kosoko. Did I get it?
Yeah.
Kosoko. So these images are animated.
Which one?
This animated. They're all animated actually. So how about Macaulay is moving, Nana Azikiwe is smiling.
Okay.
Okay. What do we have here? Scene from Nigeria's first independence celebration. Why do they have faces though? And you can tell that this is Abubakar Tafawa Balewa anyway. You can tell that this is Queen Elizabeth.
Alright. Wanna have some gin here?
Oh, have gin bottles. This is what they used to when they want to bring pour libation.
Libation,
Hey. Oh, I'm boiling hot. What's the symbols of independence? Yeah, this is where we're taking our pledge. So this is why we actually put our hands on our chest, because it's supposed to signify your hand to your heart. That's nice. Oh wow.
Okay, look up. Wait, I want to cut it.
Why do I feel like I'm right in the middle of history? Serious. Zerapsalam Abubakar, the man of Sayadua, Olusegun Kikiola Matthew Obasanjo, Absalam Haji Abubakar, Sani Abacha, Ernest Adekunle Olade Indesoleko, Yakubu Gowon, Murtala Ramat Mohammed, Olusegun Kikiola Matthew Obasanjo, two-time president, Shehu Usman Ali Shagari, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Benjamin Nnamdi Azikiwe, Muhammadu Buhari, two-time president as well, Muhammadu Buhari, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, Johnson Thomas, Ibn Makui, Aguilis. Okay, so after Buhari, we have what we have in the next ceremony. So what's happening?
Where are you not going?
What's this? The Constitution. Are you kidding me? You know that not many Nigerians have actually know what this constitution looks like in real life. We only hear that there is a constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, but we don't know what the constitution looks like. Apparently, it is here. Like, can I see front cover of the book and flip the pages and read it? Like, this is so surreal. Finally. Okay, I speak at the
Okay.
Interesting. The National Youth Service Corps. We have what does it say? Okay, this area is dedicated to the armed forces, to honor members of the armed forces. Yeah, we thank you for your service, guys. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful.
Now you want to play with the ancestors?
Yes, so let's play with the ancestors.
Go ahead.
In my language, it's called Uncho. In my language, it's called Uncho. In Yoruba land, it's called Ayu. So, let's give it a shot. No. Akatola, my hand has stopped here. Okay. You need to be a pro at this thing. You're so fast. Your hand should have stopped by now. Oh, 4. Okay. Because he has been good now. 4, 1 on 1. You all lost the ball. I chop out. Pam.
Who told you? Where did you chop?
I chop out. But this is nice. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, well, let's do the intro and go to the rest of the tour. Oh shit!
Alright, so this is the music group and it talks about the evolution of Nigerian sound from 50s down to the early 2000s.
50s, 60s, 70s.
So you can go close to the guitar, you can play for some minutes.
Okay. Oh, are you serious?
Yes,
So I don't know what I'm playing. Pay Me My Money by Bobby Benson from the 50s. I wasn't even born. Oh, I don't know this song. Let's go and play the one that where I was born. From the 90s, let's go to Way and Sheila Peters. Okay, this one tribute to South Sultan. South Sultan. Yeah. You remember this one? mathematics.
Which one?
Ugly, like this sweet now. I always think like it.
Will be like 200 naira now.
This one, Abi. Now I be the vex now. Eh? This one, they just help us put nylon for the body. Not the same thing, they just put nylon. But this is like ugly sha. 50 combo. I wonder if only we knew that these things won't have value anymore. Like, you are seeing sha. This 5 naira still dey small. You know the see as small. This 5 naira. And the people of updated your collection. There is new 500 and new 1,000.
Oh really?
They updated the collection. Sharp. Can I see old 20 naira? Like, how old is that 20 naira? Ah man, 1976. Let's go to the days where there is all these ones as you just spend this one too. You just spend calories and coins. But you don't go bad if you go back to this coin thing matter. Reason now, you carry less purse. You know you buy those long purse. You carry less purse. Okay, this is like a quiz. Are you serious? Which of these double figures is on 10 naira notes? You know how many kuku? Which of these naira notes is commonly referred to as Wazobia? 50 naira. Oshe. Next. Whose image is on the reverse side of 20 naira? Reverse. The that side. Who is on? Ladi Kwali. I think it's Ladi Kwali. That should be a Hausa man.
She's the one.
Abi? Which of these naira notes is known as the world's first digital banknote? Yeah! I paid it to you. You have to come to the one that I paid it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in and out.
Typewriter, so shit. No paper.
Alright, so here is the writer's box, and it talks about information of Nigeria.
The Joys of Motherhood, yeah, I read that. Death and the King's Horseman, I read that. Family Shoot, yes, I did read this one.
So from here on, your tour will now be a self-guided one. So from here on, your tour will now be a self-guided one.
Okay.
So you have to your right, you have to your left to go. So when you're done, the step will be on your out.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Don't want to step in?
You are wonderful.
Thank you. Chris Abani, Chinua Achebe, Catherine Obiano, Ju Acholono, Ayobami Adebayo, Reni Adedeji, Adeniro Saheed, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Yemi Ajibade, Odafe, Ben Okri, Nedi Okurafo. The gods are not to blame. Olarotimi, we read it. We read it. When the rain falls on the leopard, does it wash off its spots? Has the richness of kingly life washed off the love of our king for his people? We read it. That's typewriter. Then no, do you know that I used typewriter in secondary school? What secondary school? Yes, so they asked us to buy typewriter to do business studies. So I have some. The God and not to blame, our husband.
That's Ramad.
And hymns of the savannah. That's good. Yeah, we need to look at this. And so
Not perfect, but some days I feel bored or worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why. And fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.